Okay, I should be live at this point. Welcome everybody to the live stream. Today we're going to be testing the best fully autonomous AI agent that I have personally ever seen, which is pretty awesome. And this is definitely like a first for me. It's going to be kind of a first look scenario. I think some clips from this stream are going to make it into my final review video of this AI agent, so that'll be pretty awesome. But yeah, this will also be its own separate video for those wondering. And yeah, we'll just kind of say hi to everybody as they head in here. I've got a brand new desk, by the way, so that's why the setup's different. Some of you guys are going to notice that the setup's a little bit different. And I've also got a fan that's a little bit noisy in my room, blowing air outside, because this desk is still like drying and it smells so bad. Alright, hello Mohammed. Hello Papu Patel. I don't know if I said that right. Love from India. Oh, that's amazing. What do you think about Bard? I think Bard's pretty good. If you want to know my extended thoughts on Bard, you can check out my video I did recently where I sort of just cover LLMs for beginners. Red Eye Laser says, hey, what's up? Missing says, can't hear the fan. That's good. That's good. That was my intention, but I can definitely hear it. I can definitely hear it. Love from the Netherlands. Amazing. From Colombia. Oh, you guys are all over the globe. I love it. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and post GPT-4 bust. Yeah, I think this agent does use GPT-4. Someone says Suno. Maybe we'll get into that today. I do want to try agents. Maybe we can have the agent make us a song in Suno. That could be fun. Hello from Iraq, from Morocco. Wow. You guys are all over the place. 1:40 a.m. Go to bed. Greetings from Germany. Llama 3 when? Probably soon. I bet in a few months. France. Love it. Alright, I'm going to post the stream in the Discord server, guys, because I want everybody to know. If you haven't joined my Discord server, it's fun. We have a lot of fun over there. So I recommend you go join that if you want to get a little bit more involved with the MattVidPro community and such, or the AI community in general. Let's go ahead and pull the stream up. My apologies, everybody. Gotta get the actual link for it. How's everyone doing this fine day? Oh, we have all these comments streaming in. Hang on, I gotta pop out the chat so I can actually read your comments. Let's see. Okay. I just happened to be here at the right time. Welcome. Hey, I'm from the Discord. Orange Catman. I've seen you around the Discord quite a lot. From Maryland. Love autonomous agents. Hello from California. Love Suno. Rainy day in SoCal. Hi, big fan. It's a freezing day where I am. What are we doing? We are looking at the best autonomous AI agent that I have ever personally witnessed. I've tested it a little bit, but I want us to really get into it. I want you guys to give me suggestions on how we can prompt this thing, how we can, you know, test it out, essentially, for a video, because I think a lot of you guys' ideas are actually going to make it up into the final review video that I'm going to produce on this AI. Okay, hang on. Hosting the stream in the server. There we go. And I'm also going to go ahead and post it on Twitter as well, which I don't think I did last time. It's good practice. It's good practice. I'm very disappointed in AI being censored. Yeah. You and pretty much everybody else. You're not, you're far from the only person who is disappointed in AI censorship. Okay, I'm gonna go pull up Twitter real quick. Thoughts on Hyperwrite? I think Hyperwrite is pretty amazing, although what we're taking a look at today is absolutely 100% better than Hyperwrite AI. I'll be honest. There we go. Just posted on Twitter. Why is the thumbnail wrong? It says testing your GPTs. That can't be right. There we go. Just whoops. Whoopsies. Where's the beef?
I chose Wix for my business.
Oh my god, sorry if there's ads playing in the background. I'm sorry. Okay, I just want to make sure that we have the right thumbnail before we begin. Okay, we do. We do, thank gosh. Okay. Do you go live often? I don't think I've ever caught you live. No, I did go live last week though, so it's something new that we're kind of trying to do a little bit more often. It's fun for me. I do love it. Has anyone set up a non-censored AI? To a degree, yeah. Thoughts on AGI? Ooh, hopefully it'll be here soon. Did you hear Matt Walsh talking about an AI movie generator? Which one? Get YouTube Premium. Someone heard my ads. Look, all right. Yeah, this will be a nice long stream. We'll probably do like 2 hours. You do multiple agents and have them working together. No, not on this one, but I do have access to one that can do that, and we can also test that today. I'm totally down to also test that one where you have multiple agents working together. It's really cool. So let's kick this off here. I gotta enable the AI. I'm gonna try to make a new profile here. I know you guys can't see anything I'm doing. What are we going to do? You guys are gonna help me test out the best auto agent I've ever seen. That's what we're doing. Customize your Chrome. Manage your Google account. Add a new profile. Oh gosh. Okay. You know what? I think we're just gonna have to continue with my profile. And we'll just enable it. We will just enable it. Oh, where's my extension? Oh my god, my extension has disappeared, guys. If you guys are wondering what this is, it's called Multi-On. I probably should have brought that up a little bit earlier. But it's pretty amazing. Is it free? Yeah, it's free right now. I mean, there's a paid plan, and then there's an amount of free generations that you get per day. Yeah, I knew everyone was going to be wondering if it's free. Yes, it is. I mean, to a degree, it's free. It's in very early development. I'm going to have to go re-download this thing because I had to disable it. Let's see. My apologies for not being prepared, guys. I thought that I already had this installed. Dr. Dimples is here! Hello, Dr. Dimples. It says I'm... Okay. Oh, this item is disabled. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got it pulled up now. Oh, $5 donation. Thank you so much, Adam Smith. Thanks for being one of my favorite AI sources of news. Thanks. Oh, of course, dude. I really appreciate the donation. Again, you guys don't have to donate by any means. Third super on a live stream, Adam. Let's go. YouTube's telling me that we need to celebrate it. Dr. Devils is here. Let's go. Okay, let's go ahead and actually get this going. Let's go get this going. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in my face for you guys so you can see me a little bit better. There we go. And now I'm gonna pull up. Oh, there it is. Oh, it popped up. Sweet. We'll just, I guess we'll have it full like this. That's fine. That works. All right, guys. This is called Multi-On. It is incredible. This is by far the best AI agent I have ever used, ever seen, and it's crazy fast. There are settings for it too, by the way. I'm a little bit concerned that... Here, let me go to full camera real quick. I don't want it to show off any emails. Okay, so... No, it's not going to show off any important emails. Okay, I'm pulling... So yeah, there's actually settings for this one too. There's a voice mode that we can try. I actually got this AI agent working on Android as well for Multi-On. That's pretty awesome. Hype? Yeah, everyone's hyped. Let's go. So yeah, there's a few different versions you can have. I'm going to set it to fast starting out here. We'll see if we need to switch it to vision for any tests that we might go. But just so you know, there's a standard, vision, and fast, and then ludicrous, which I don't even have access to. So yeah, there's 3 modes with this thing. What do we want? How do we want to test this thing? Can't create an account. I think the site crashed. Yeah, I think it's only early access right now. Actually, I was explained this by literally one of the devs. Let's see. Anyone can sign up, but they have to go to Discord and ask for access in the beta request channel for Multi-On. So you have to go to the Multi-On Discord And yeah, so you have to actually get access via their Discord server, more or less. Let's test this thing out, guys. Let's test it out. Yeah, this will be on YouTube later. Consensus G. Let it generate money. I don't know about that. Let's try to get it to let's just get it to write a tweet real quick. Go to my Twitter and write a tweet saying this is a multi-on test. So we'll just let it go do this real quick. I could have explained it too, by the way, that I was already signed into Twitter. As you can see, it goes right to Twitter. Just goes right there. And now multi-on sort of pops up in the side here, and then it just writes it for you. I don't know why it's going to my profile. Okay, it's trying to go see if it actually made the tweet. So it's going a little, I think it's going a little too far here checking out the profile, but yeah, it's pretty cool. AutoGen Studio Framework. Haven't checked it out yet, to be honest. Are my chats coming through? Sightless Stories, welcome. Welcome back. The interface is nice, Red Eye Laser, I agree. Yeah, okay. Have it download all your videos from your channel automatically. Why does it have to go to Twitter? I told it to go to Twitter. That's why I said go to Twitter and write me a tweet saying this is a multi-on test. And it absolutely did that. It is pretty cool. Alright. Oh, I Shoot Cake, hello! Can it play Minecraft? I don't think so, to be honest. We can try to make it play games. I don't think it'll be fast enough to play anything reactive, but it might be able to play games that are like, step by step. Where it's not like something where it has to react in real time. It goes rogue on my Twitter. I really hope it doesn't do that. I really hope it doesn't do that. What are you guys thinking? How should we test this thing? How about we say go to PC Part Picker and build me a PC that is budget friendly, but can play, or how about this, but can run Stable Diffusion locally. That's pretty tough, right? That's a pretty tough one. Make it play Wordle, we could try that. Can it sift for job ad openings? It might be able to play Minecraft, Jose. I know you were joking, but... Oh, can it try to make Akinator guess a character? That's fun. We might be able to try that. Go have it buy a share of Apple. Greetings! Okay, so it's going to pick up a motherboard here. Oh, it already picked out a CPU. Are those compatible? They look like they're compatible. Yeah. It's going to pick out RAM from us. It's building us a computer, by the way, right now, which is like the ultimate test for the Hyperwrite AI assistant. Plan a vacation to Hawaii. It definitely could do that. Jeff Man, what's up? One of my mods from the Discord server. Anthony Goodley, welcome. I want to give AI access to my credit cards. Yeah, this thing could do that. It could go buy stuff for me right now. I'm just more risky than you guys. I'm just more risky. Give me the recipe for AGI and build a full stack platform for it, then list the thing on the stock market. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be able to do that one. Haven't messed with it too much. Okay. So it's doing a pretty good job. We have an 8 GB video card that can run Stable Diffusion. I wonder if it knows about modding games. I mean, it's based off of a large language model, so yes. I would say, yeah, it probably does know about that. Goodly is verified. This is just the Rabbit thing without hardware, isn't it? I mean, more or less. I haven't looked too much into Rabbit, but yeah, I mean, this Rabbit does do some automatic stuff, and so does this. This probably has more capabilities, honestly, because it can just use a web browser. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Oh, thank you for the donation. Papu Patel. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right again. Will ChatGPT 4 become free after GPT-5 releases? I believe so, yes. I believe it will become free. I sure hope it does. It would make the most obvious sense because we're going to have GPT-4 level models this year that are completely open source and free for you to use. And, you know, why even bother using regular GPT-4 when those exists? And that also means that GPT-5 has to come out this year, by the way. More or less. If they want to stay competitive. Alright, we're getting... Oh, we're back to PC Part Picker? Oh, we're back. Okay, good. I thought this thing lost it for a sec. Glitchy phone and stupid ads. So this is doing screenshots and running it through image processing to browse and figure out where to click? No, it's actually not doing that, Sven. You can make it do that with the GPT-4V model, but I believe this one is using the metadata on the website. How could so... Okay. We're almost done with this computer. Oh, wow, it picked up Windows 11. We'll evaluate how good of a computer this is at the end. We have a compatibility warning. Okay, Sophia is getting timed out immediately. No spam, please, in the chat. Can you tell if it can create a PowerPoint presentation? Yeah, let's do it. This was a really good idea. What about AI shorts and do AI video generation? Parsing the pages as text. Then it would not work on Minecraft. Okay, so Sven, here's what I'm saying, is that they have a mode where I can use GPT-4 Vision for when it can't do the metadata. I don't know what we're looking at here. It's picking out, like, everything I need. I don't know why it keeps going back to video cards for some reason. It's not adding more. Oh, another donation from Takar. Congrats on a 250,000 subs. Well deserved. Have a drink on me in advance. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will have a drink on you. I'll be thinking, oh, I got that donation for the Takar. 250,000 subs. I'll be having that drink. Okay, this thing is still running, but yeah, this can apparently do 500 plus actions at once, which you don't really get with what do they call it? Hyperwrite AI assistant. I tried to have it play chess in visual mode, and it just was not doing it for some reason. Okay, so could you please confirm that all the... Oh yeah, this thing's awesome too because we can just chat with it continuously, by the way. I'll pause it right now. But let's go back. Whoops. Where is my build guide? Just select this real quick. Hang on. I'm going to remove this one. I accidentally added a second one. Okay, these parts have potential issues or incompatibilities. Immediately, this thing already did a better job than Hyperwrite AI Assistant, if you remember my video. Check this out. We got the CPU. We have the cooler for the CPU, which is good. Which is what Hyperwrite forgot last time. We have a motherboard that is compatible with the CPU we picked out. 16 gigabytes of DDR4, that's all good. And then it picked out, for some reason, 2 terabytes of drives. It works. It also picked out 2 video cards for us, which is very strange. I'm not sure why it would do that, but 8 gigabytes is the minimum for Stable Diffusion, so it got that there, but it gave us 2 video cards. I'm not sure why it would do that. Then we got the power supply for 500 watts. Yeah, we'll remove this one. In theory, yeah, it'll be fine with just 1 video card, like you normally would build a computer. So that all works out. Good case, Windows, and then the monitor, but not like a keyboard or peripherals, whatever it might be. Interesting. So this definitely did a better job than Hyperwrite, but I still feel like it left some things out if it was going to go for that full length, like let's include a monitor, let's include Windows, etc. I'll go back to you guys. Do something that's clever, but common knowledge, but hard to accomplish well. Yeah, that's kind of why I picked this out, because it's a little bit more nuanced. Let's see, what about creating an Excel spreadsheet? Yeah, let's try that. I think that could be fun. Move back to full cam. I'm going to go pull a spreadsheet up. And by the way, you can just pop onto any website you want. This is why I wanted to make another account for this. Because, okay, well, we're in an untitled spreadsheet. I'll just tell it not to leave the spreadsheet. Or I guess it can make a new tab. Let's give it some information. And we'll tell it to kind of put it in a spreadsheet. Let's see. Let's go to just like the MattVidPro YouTube page, right? I'll pull up my video immediately, probably blast you guys. Okay, there we go. Videos. Okay, so I have 2 pages pulled up now. We'll say, go to this website. Here, I'll share my screen again. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I have my YouTube channel right here. I'm going to say, like, essentially make a spreadsheet of all the videos, their links, and their titles in the spreadsheet. I want you to just make that spreadsheet. We'll say AI agent test. And we'll pull up multi-on. Let's see. Oh. There, I have the pop-up hidden. There we go. Okay, I'm going to move my head for this one as well. That's not in your way. Create 100 rows of fake data. Try Poly AI. Make it fix its login page. Yeah, I had issues with the login page as well. Again, if you guys do want to get access to this thing, you're going to have to go to their Discord server. And you'll have to ask for access. And let me pull it up. Their beta requests channel. So that's coming directly from a mod on the server. That's how you'll get access to this thing. Okay, so we're going to carefully prompt it, say, I want you to create a spreadsheet that is color-coded. Sure. It will be an organization of 15 of the latest 15 videos from this YouTube channel. I would like the name of the video, the link, and the order posted in, or the date. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Let's go. Someone says, hi, I'm a very big fan, Matt. How are you? I'm amazing. Thank you for asking. Let's create a spreadsheet comparing the price of a product from among several stores. Hey, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I'm a little bit worried though, because like I said, I'm like logged into my accounts here, so I don't want it to go rogue on me. But if you guys give me some time, I can probably set something up to test something like that. Join the server at the bottom of their website. Scroll all the way down. Thank you for teaching people, Jeff Mann. Appreciate it. Doing your modly duties. Okay. You can also teach this thing, which we can get into, by the way. I'm sure you guys see that, where you can teach it. Okay, so it's just going to go directly to my YouTube page and gather some information on the last 15 videos I have posted. Pretty cool. Does it work with PDFs? I believe so. It works with anything in your Chrome. Thank you for the donation, Gamer Droid. Nice to see you live again. Oh, appreciate it. This is your first super on a live stream as well, and I'm very grateful that it went to me. Again, you guys don't by any means have to donate, but I greatly appreciate it. When you do, it helps keep me doing what I like to do without the worrying about sponsors at all. Because as you know, a lot of YouTubers rely on sponsors. It's weird because I don't need to go to their Discord to get access. That is strange. Maybe things have changed in the few days since I last talked to the mods. Are you still going to do a video about AI that helps in game development? Been waiting for this one. Yeah, I still plan on doing that. I am waiting for it to get good enough to the point where I want to actually make a video on it, because I've been testing those models out lately and stuff, and I'm just not comfortable. Like, I've tried making videos on the gaming creation AI, and they're just not where I'd like them to be at. I only want to bring you guys something that's genuinely useful. Oh God, it's gonna go make a new spreadsheet. You guys can actually see some of my spreadsheets here. Yeah, don't worry. You guys can use the AI agent test one. You don't have to go ahead and reveal all my spreadsheets to everybody. Okay, for some reason it can't click on blank spreadsheet. Yeah, it's having trouble. This one. Okay, now it's just going back to my channel. What's going on? Okay, this thing's broken. See, it's still not perfect. It's still not perfect, but it got close. For some reason, it had a hard time just clicking where it needed to click on. Let's go ahead and try to change the model and rerun this one. Ask it to include a screenshot from a random moment in each video. It's possible. Oh, hey, Coco. Coco's here. So this is actually one of the developers from Multion. Welcome to the stream. The person who actually kind of hooked me up with Multion. Let's go ahead and try to rerun this. Again, I'm going to switch to the GPT-4 Vision Agent, and we'll see if we can get it to work a little bit better. Let's go here. Actually, I'll just make a new one. Oh, by the way, Coco, every time I make a new tab, having this pop up instead of Google, genuinely, that's pretty annoying, and it's something I wish I could change. Multion is not currently supporting Google Sheets. Okay. Alright, no worries. We'll move away from that test then. Are you sure even with GPT-4V we can't try it out? It might work. Let's get those insider dev tips. I like Google Sheets. I'm gonna try it with Google Sheets, even though you don't say it supports it. I'm gonna try it anyways with Vision. Okay. I'll make a new one. We'll go to Sheets. Like this. All right. I just joined. What's happening? We are testing Multion and something it's not even designed to work for, so that's what we're doing. I got access to Ludicrous, but I don't know what it does differently. I think it just works faster, but it's not as accurate. Can the agent play chess through your browser? I tried to get it to do that and it wasn't working for me. You should do a collab with Matt Wolf. I know he does AI News. Yeah, I would love to do a collab with Matt Wolf. I've spoken to him many times. He's a great guy. Okay. Fill this spreadsheet out with fun cat names organized by how crazy they are. How novel they are? That's fine. Let's just try that. Just something random. I also agree the pop-up is cool. Yeah, that is a little bit annoying. Okay, let's see if it can just do this. You allow the boys from Multion to gain access to your computer. What could go wrong? You don't have to look up cat names. Okay, the wackiest cat names. Recently discovered the channel Killer Content. Enjoy the insightful, honest reviews. Appreciate it. We'll try to keep those up for you. You see the teaching method, Matt? Yes, I did try it out and it works. It does work. I'm feeling like I should set up like an extra Gmail account just to try this on like something fresh. Captain Sushi. Wow, it's coming up with all these names. It's actually just stealing them from a website. Now it's gonna go put them in a spreadsheet apparently. And I don't know if this is gonna work. Again, we literally just got told by a dev that Multion does not like the Google Sheets DOM, which I don't know what that is. Are you hyped for the Lucid Dream device? That one's gonna be epic. If it's legit, then yes, I'm super hyped for it. But I've been hearing from the community, you guys have been telling me that it's a little bit scummy. Something is a little bit fishy about it. It doesn't feel right. I think that it's pretty, I think that it's definitely possible, and it's very, very much a real thing that could happen. But they are, I guess people are a little bit skeptical of them. Left the stream for a bit. How do you get access to this? You have to go to the Multion website. Just literally Google Multion AI. Scroll down to the bottom where it has their Discord server, and you can go ahead and join by going to the beta requests channel of the Multion Discord. Excuse me. Oh my god, I burped. Minecraft videos to AI videos is a pretty big change. Yes, it is. I mean, it happened like almost 2 years ago now, so I'm very used to it. I don't know if this thing is stuck or what. It's just scrolling down the page to get more cat names. Asking for user input. Can you please help me categorize these names into common, uncommon, and unique? No. Do it based upon your own judgment. Categorize them for me. Multion is planning. Based on the user request, I will categorize the cat names I've gathered into 3 categories. Okay, Baby Boo Boo is a common cat name. We've never seen a device of this type, so they're absolutely right to be skeptical. Oh yeah, I'm all for skepticism. The Lucid Dream device is by, I don't know, I talked about it in a recent AI news video, if you want to go look at everything for that specific device. It's all covered in there for you guys with links and all that. But I forget what company came up with it. I forget the name of the company, but they have like it is like very like realized in a way that feels like they're trying to grift. So that's why people are skeptical, and I totally get it. DOM equals document object model. Basically, it's how a website is represented internally. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I'm not exactly the Okay, it has finished, but it didn't actually do it on the spreadsheet. Okay, well, we'll consider this one failed and we'll move on. Can it use ChatGPT or other chatbots? I bet it can. Let's do that. I knew that was gonna come up. Adjust the microphone a little bit here. All right, let's pull up ChatGPT and have this thing talk to ChatGPT. Not enterprise. Try to answer some comments again. They come through quickly. It's hard for me to get to all of them, but I do want to answer all of them. I don't know if you covered it yet or not, but ChatGPT 4's targeted GPTs are pretty awesome. There's one for creating flowcharts and diagrams that drew out like 200 plus page congressional bill in like 30 seconds. Yeah, I've tested them out, and I did I think either 2 videos or just 1 video in a live stream. Can't remember, where I talked about those. I tested out that specific diagrams one that's really impressive, and a few others. But yeah, I've definitely given that some attention on the channel. I like Multion, but its downfall is its usage limits. That's why I pre-ordered Rabbit R1. I think that we're going to see auto agents appear in like Google phones very soon, probably this year. Sightless Stories, I'm sorry. Am I still in this chat? Yes, you are. 420 from Taco Guy, 1988. Welcome back. Have you ever done a video on Silly Tavern? Rings a bell. I'm not sure what it is though. Sorry for being uncultured. I noticed you haven't looked into Rabbit R1. What do you think of that device? I think that it's going to just be replaced by things that are going to appear on your phone from the likes of Apple, Samsung, Google, etc. It's definitely something that can be developed by those companies, and they are absolutely working on it. If they'd be silly not to. I mean, I guess that's our Rabbit R1's hope, is that they aren't. But it's definitely something that could be built into Siri or Google Assistant, etc. Okay, let's test this thing out with ChatGPT. Here we are, guys. Talk to ChatGPT for as long as you can, asking it questions about let's do like whether or not AI can be sentient. Sure. Let's see how this works. We are creating a way of using multi-on for iOS in the future, basically a multi-on iOS app. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I really do think that the Rabbit R1 will be overshadowed by things that can just be on your phone. Oh, wow, look at it. It's talking to... Oh, my God. It made 3... As you can see, 3 out of 3 here. It made 3 extra responses from ChatGPT, which is weird. It's going to continue the conversation. Nick V and MZ donated $2. Have you seen GenCraft app for iPhone yet? No, I haven't. Is that interesting? Gen XVR donated $5. Here's some change for Taco Tuesday. I actually considered getting tacos today, but maybe I'll get some tomorrow. Thanks again, Matt, for all your hard work. Appreciate it greatly. Like I said, you guys don't have to donate, but always greatly appreciated. Okay, so we got a response from ChatGPT about sentience, and it's going to continue the conversation. Smartphone for toddlers. AI is talking to AIs. Wow, it's asking about ethical considerations when developing sentient AI. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a nice topic there. It got meta real quick. What do you think about Bard coming to Google Assistant? I think it'll be good if they use the best Bard model that they can. This is the future. The potential implications if AI becomes sentient. Oh, it's just asking the same questions now over and over again. No. It's just kind of repeating what it said before. Oh, it changed up the questions? How can we determine if AI has achieved sentience? Complex and multifaceted challenges. This is a word that ChatGPT loves to use, multifaceted. And it's a good word. Oh, it's like stopping the chats early to ask even more questions because it doesn't know when it like preloads them and just fires them off, cutting ChatGPT off every time. Interesting. Yeah, all right, we'll pause it because we did basically just tell it to do this forever. Okay, so that wasn't exactly like the deep conversation we wanted to. It definitely felt like two bots talking to each other. But I mean, to be fair, we didn't prompt it to not sound like that. Bard is being renamed to Gemini. Good evening. Oh, Mr. or Mrs. Biswas, good evening to you as well. Hey, Matt, what are the origins of the lemon thing? Okay, you want to know what the actual origins of the lemon thing are? We'll pull this up. We'll stop the... Let's put the brakes on the stream just for this, because I've wanted to explain this forever, because I knew someone was going to ask me. Let's pull up Instagram. I'll tell you exactly where it is from. Okay, so we'll go to Instagram here. We're going to go to the Dolly Instagram. If we scroll way down, it's going to take a while too, guys. You're in for a ride. This is the lore. This is real MattVidPro lore. So the whole lemon thing started way back when Dolly 2, before it was announced, and I was so excited for Dolly 2. And I was just messing around with prompts. And I got an idea based off of a prompt that was on the Instagram page for Dolly. This is the official Instagram. We're still in, I don't know, I think this is Dolly 2.5. So we're gonna have to go all the way back. I'm back. I sent you some messages about Poly AI in the chat. I'll have to take a look if I can catch those. There's a lot of messages going on. Lore time, origin story, origin ride. Oh, thank you for the donation from Nicholas. Really appreciate that. Oh, this is a little gross, huh? Yeah, we're still going back there. We're going all the way down. It's gonna take forever to load all these. Anyways, there's an image that I saw on this that was generated by an OpenAI team member at some point or another. And I was inspired to make lemon art based off that, and then it just sort of became my thing. I made it my profile picture, and that was it. It's not like I'm obsessed with lemons or anything necessarily like that. Alright, we're really getting down. It's like literally one of the first posts on this. There is a war in the chat. It's like everybody wants to talk to you first. Yeah, I know. Sightless stories, it is difficult. Believe it or not, DALL-E 2 is still running for some reason. Yeah, I don't understand why either. Oh, look at these old DALL-E 2 generations. They're so mushy and gross. We really put the brakes on the stream for this. It's worth it, though. It's worth it. Okay. We must be getting there pretty shortly. I feel like I recognize some of these. Yes, I do indeed. Look at that. The broccoli. We're getting there. These old DALL-E 2 generations. These used to be mind-blowing to me. These used to be absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, we're all the way at the bottom now. Of course, this is the first one they post, which is honestly not that representative of like how good DALL-E 2 actually is. So if we scroll up here, we will eventually run into an image. This one's really nice, by the way. Really nice. We'll eventually run into a lemon one. There's an orange. Not sure how far up it is. We must have passed it at some point. Or maybe it's gone forever. Guys, it could be gone. This could be a tragedy. A serious tragedy. It was a lemon walking with like glasses. It was amazing. Maybe it's in one of these. Oh, see, because some of these have multiple generations, so it's definitely in one of these. All right. Oh, you know where it is? I think it's where this broccoli is. Where's the broccoli? I know, it's a very big distraction from what we're supposed to be doing here. But, oh, I guess it's not. Somewhere there's a photo of a lemon, and that is where that is what it's based on. That's all I can say. I think you just scrolled by past it. It was down. It was like a 3D lemon character. Don't give up looking. Hey, Roro from Discord, what's up? Okay. I scrolled past it. Is that true? Well, it's somewhere down here. Look at that. A cubed basketball. I missed DALL-E 2. These were the fun days, honestly. These were the really fun days. Oh, maybe it's in here. Oh, it's similar to this, though. Like, we're getting closer. We're absolutely getting closer. This cat is, like, uncanny. Kind of real, though. Okay, well, like I said, I'm not going to look for this all day. However, it's somewhere down here. I guess I skipped it. As someone said. Those avocado armchairs, the OGs. Okay. Alright, let's get back to it. Let's try to make this thing play simple chess. Welcome to the lemon part of the stream. I saw chess mentioned a few times, so I'm gonna go bring up a simple chess online. It is a lemon, yeah. It's a lemon wearing sunglasses, I believe. He's not on the beach. That was a different prompt. Let's see. I want to get like a really simple chess app. This one looks good. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna have this thing play chess. Alright. Play chess to the best of your ability. You are on the white team. Alright. Have you went through images yet? Yeah, on my server? Absolutely, they're insane. You guys did I don't know what you guys did to that poor model, but it is jailbroken. Absolutely jailbroken. Make sure to tell it to win. Okay, I think we started the game. Oh, shoot. Are we black? Okay, game aborted. For some reason, I thought we were the white team. We're obviously the team towards the bottom, so we're going to redo this. Limited access to a rematch. I have to make a new opponent. Oh, this is against random people. That's us, we're white. Okay, it's still going, by the way. This thing is still trying to figure out how to play. Game imported. We're trying to play against real people. It can control your screen. Yeah, it can control web browsers. Legit cannot find the original. There's an original somewhere. Let's restart this. Play chess and win. We're the next opponent. It just aborts the game immediately because we don't make moves or something. If you're playing chess against an AI, win for humanity, yeah. Canceling of the current game is starting a new one. Do you know Apple made an AI that is multimodal and it's going to be the best of the best? Yeah, that's what I'm saying is I feel like Rabbit R1 doesn't stand a chance against stuff like that. What can control your web browser? How long till it devolves into looking up cat memes? It can't even figure out how to start a new game, so you know, right now we're having issues with this thing. I think we need a better chess interface. Potentially. I really would like to see it play chess. It's just not working. Card games. Like, this one's really, really simple. This one's super simple. It's detecting you're running a script on the page and then ending the game. It's an anti-cheat detector. Okay, well, maybe this one doesn't have it. I mean, this website looks pretty old, so it's just ending the game because we have a script. Yeah, you're probably right about that. Play chess to the best of your ability. I think this is just against the bot. Have it play blackjack. This is multi-on. That is the name of this AI. Barracuda. It just said no. Please tell me which piece you would like to move. No. I'm not gonna teach you how to play chess. I don't even know how to play it myself. I mean, I know basic chess, but I'm not good at it. This is your thing, AI. It got a brain fart. No. Oopsies. I want you to play it for me. You have to threaten it. Can it draw? Oh, I don't know. As an AI, I don't have the ability to play chess on my own. Okay, so it just can't see this it's this interface at all, so it's probably super confused. So you have to kind of think about how these things work. Because it can't see this chess interface. Pawn to d4. Whoops. I'm late in the stream. Not too late. We're gonna go pretty late today. Can it make pixel art? Have it go to a Las Vegas casino website and play blackjack with real money. What could go wrong? That might honestly kind of be considered cheating. Like I said, I think there's like scripts that prevent this stuff. And in this case, I don't think it can see this at all. I don't think you can see that at all. So I'm going to go ahead and... Someone said, can it paint? Let's do like a pixel art website. Pixel art website. Start drawing. There we go. Skip. Wow, this is kind of an advanced website. Make me some pixel art of a cute rabbit. I don't think this is gonna work at all. I really don't. Oh, my light died, guys. Hang on, I gotta fix this. Ugh. We'll start the pixel art of a cute rabbit. Selecting the pencil tool. Okay, it's doing it. It's doing it. Alright, guys. My light died and I need to actually turn it on. So we're going to let this thing try to draw pixel art. It seems to not work. Alright, I'm back. Oh, it's stuck. Yeah, we're giving it some really difficult prompts, aren't we? Why don't we try something that we know it can do, and we can actually see. The happy/angry bunny experiment on ChatGPT is crazy. It just keeps telling it, no, the bunny must be more angry or the results are crazy. Yeah, I've tried that before. Yeah, this is multi-on. It can't make bunnies. Guys, it does not know how to use this interface at all. We need something simple for it. Something very easy and simple. Sticks pencil up nose. Are you concerned at all about the speed AI is learning? Do you think about the dangers? I think that the dangers, everything that it makes it dangerous is also, is the same reason we'll even get benefits from AI in the first place. So I feel like it's kind of inevitable, honestly. It's going to be dangerous if it's going to be good, if that makes sense. That's just what power is, I guess. Does that make sense? Sick today. I got a 101 fever. That's why I'm here. I'm bored. Oh, music master. I'm sorry to hear that. Can I just do web browsing? Can it work in Paint? No, it's only web browsing. So this thing is stuck only on your web. That's all it can do is use your web interface. I mean, it's pretty good for that. Like, let's do this. Let's say go get the latest AI news. We'll do something simple. Retrieve for me the latest in AI news. I would like 10 articles. Watch. This will be easy for it. Stuff like this is simple. It's easy, but, you know, when you tell it to draw a bunny, it doesn't understand those complex web interfaces nearly as well. So that's sort of the limit here with these AIs. Teach him how to draw the bunny. We could try that. I just got here. What can this model do? I mean, it can do... It's essentially just basically a better hyperwrite AI. It's faster. It's more capable. It doesn't lose track as much, but it still can't do things like, access the chess interface or the painting interfaces. It built a good computer, though, honestly. I was pretty impressed by that. Can it close Google Chrome? That's a good question. I don't know. Probably. It can access your keyboard, so I assume it can just do Alt F4. We'll test that. We'll test that. That'll be a fun test. Do you know how to view feedback from your GPTs? No, I don't. I didn't know you... I think that they're supposed to just go to your email. So if you don't have any emails, then you probably don't have any. Oh, to do today's Wordle. I forgot we were going to do that. Show it how it works. Right now it's gathering AI news, though, so I just wanted to demonstrate for you guys what this thing can do and what it can. I mean, that's the whole point of this stream. We want to figure out what it can get up to. Tommy Pizza, you just missed this thing essentially failing at most things. It's still better than Hyperwrite. It was good at building a computer, which is what we started off with, but then we asked it to do some really complex stuff like play chess. Could not do that. We asked it to draw a picture of a bunny. Didn't do that. It can definitely play music. We can try to make it use like Suno AI. That could be fun. Can it stop the stream with AI? Probably. We had it write a tweet. Check back on Hyperwrite. I heard they had super updates. I don't know. I'm pretty I'm like in cahoots with them. Relatively speaking, like they usually update me when they have something big they announced, but if I miss something, maybe. It's getting stuck because of the reset button. Is it stuck right now? On TechCrunch? Let's change the model back. Like I said, there are those multiple models, and we still have this on Vision, and Fast is supposed to be better. I don't know if the models update in real time, though. I scrolled for you, AI. Ask it to interact with the chat for you. I don't know, is that a good idea? Okay. Anyways. Let's try the Alt F4 thing. I would be shocked if this works. System level commands such as Alt F4. You can control the keyboard though. Using the keyboard, your keyboard access. No, it doesn't want to do it. Or we just say, close the Chrome window. Fast AI mode is the best. I was told by the dev that this was the best mode to use, so that's why I went ahead with it. Oh, we're getting some weird low contrast going on here. For some reason, it's not working great. I mean, it just can't understand things like chess because of the way that the web apps are designed. It can't see that stuff. It's the same reason Hyperwrite had struggled with it, but this is a lot faster than Hyperwrite. Attend a meeting on my behalf. It could join a meeting. Could it do something like hold Alt and press F4 independently? I spelled that entirely wrong. Excuse me. It's gonna just say, well, I can't do that. Please close the browser window manually by holding the Alt key and then pressing F4. It is fed up with us. It is fed up. Imagine AI switching over food and restart it. Hot dog, ice cream. Sightless, I don't think your translation came through that well. If this is a browser app, they can only do things within the browser. Yeah, I don't know. I don't exactly know how it works, but it can't like press those buttons on the keyboard, but it can type for you. So he just told you to do it. It's smart. Okay. Let's try Wordle. I don't think it's gonna be able to do this stuff. Whoops, I just typed Wordle in there. See, this is why I don't like this interface. I'm navigating to Wordle. I'm initiating the Wordle game. Okay, it's just playing Wordle. I just typed Wordle in. I didn't mean to do that, by the way. Please provide a 5-letter... No, you do it. Play Wordle. I don't want to play Wordle. You play Wordle, AI. Oh my god, it's just... See, this is the... I don't even know how to play Wordle. Alright, start teaching. Hello. How do we do this? Finish. Play Wordle. Hey, it's doing it! It's doing it. I am entering the word quirt. Not enough letters as well. It wasn't able to get there. It's trying to play Wordle. Hey, it's kind of good at that. This one's still a little bit difficult for it because it can't see it. Call an Uber. We're not calling an Uber. Oh, no. Backspace. Yes. Oh, man. All right. Let's try to teach it like chess. How about that? I don't know if that'll work either, though, honestly. Open a fandom or wiki. Find some information about a character. That's interesting. Let's try a wiki test on it. It was doing good in Wordle. Can it order a pizza? I'm not ordering a pizza. We're not doing that. It'll pull my address up. It'll put my credit card in. We cannot be doing that on stream. Solitaire? It might be able to do like a really basic solitaire. Oh yeah, we have like Google Solitaire. Ooh, this one has sound too. It's a little loud. Bring that down for you guys. Alright. Multi-on. Play Solitaire. Play Solitaire. Oh, I spelled Solitaire wrong. I'm sorry, guys. The game of Solitaire is already loaded and ready to be played. I don't know how to play Solitaire. What do I do? Yeah, that's how you play it. Rerun. Does it understand that it can move stuff though? Yeah, see, it's trying to help you with things, so it's like it doesn't want us to watch you do this. Tic-tac-toe. This is insanely easy. All right. I would like you to play. Oh, thank you, Nicholas Quest, for the donation. I appreciate it. Oh, Mark, what's up? Hope all is well. Appreciate it, man. I'm doing well. How about you? You can play Minesweeper. 4D chess. Oh, Sylvanius is here. Try Pac-Man. I would like you to play tic-tac-toe. Black red card. Yeah, people are trying to teach me how to play solitaire. I'm navigating to Google search to play a game of tic-tac-toe. Restart game button to start a new game. Can it play tic-tac-toe? It's just going to click restart again. I don't know why it does that. Oh no, wait, it did X. It made an X. It's playing tic-tac-toe, guys. is doing it. I love your videos. I learned so much. I greatly appreciate it, Brian. O's turn. Oh, it's confused because yeah, it's not understanding that I guess you are just playing against like a bot here. Something weird is going on where it made the X and then the O didn't appear. Because it's not actually making real clicks. See, again, that's the problem with these models that control browsers. Slavanus. My apologies. Slavanius. What if you asked to play a game versus you? That's true. That's true. It's like watching a child learn to interact with the world. Tic-tac-toe, 2 players. There we go. Play, tick. Wait, what's the first one? Whoa. Let's see again. We're playing against the computer. We want to do 2 players. There we go. Okay, I see how this works. So let's have this thing play against me. Play tic-tac-toe against me. I will be X and you will be O. I want to say I'm grateful for your channel. I am visually impaired, 22 years old. I use ChatGPT every day to identify objects and learn about the world around me. Greatly appreciate it, Nicholas. I'm really happy that you're able to... What? Oh, please make your move. Yeah, I didn't make a move. There's my move. Which cell to place your X in? Cells are numbered from 1 to 9. Okay, it's hallucinating. It's hallucinating. There's no cells from 1 to 9. Or it's reading metadata and is getting confused. See, it can't read stuff like this. Like, this is simple for us, but for the AI, not so much. Try Google's version of Pac-Man. I don't think it'll be able to do that at all. Does this AI accept chain commands? For example, could you ask it to open Chrome, navigate to your Gmail, summarize the top email? Yeah, it absolutely could do chain stuff like that. Do you want to try something that's like a chain reaction? I think that could be good. Just changing some settings here. It can do chain of command stuff. Would you like to play a game? Oh no. I tried to find the lemon pick on Instagram and I have failed. That is very sad. Can it delete spam email? I mean, it can, but I don't want to open my email up. Excuse me. So we could try something. We could try something a little bit more simple. Like first do this, then do this. How about we go to let's. Can it take a screenshot? I don't know. Can it? You did switch the model before. Yeah. I had it on visual, but I don't know if the vision one can even do tic-tac-toe. We could try tic-tac-toe with vision. That's true. I want to do a chain of command thing. Go search. What are some recent AI news we can have this thing learn about? Or go to this website. Let's give it a link and just tell it to make a Twitter post about that link. Here, I'm going to go to my Discord server. We're going to go to... Oh, wow. This is actually an interesting piece of news. Here, let's pull up an interesting piece of actual AI news from Twitter. And we'll tell it to summarize this. Summarize it and summarize the impact this news has and make a new tweet speaking on the impact this will have on the AI industry. There we go. Let's try that. I think it can just go to specific links like this one. This worked out. All right. Create a project request, research, create project plan, research plan, step by step. Yeah, I could do that for sure. We'll see. I mean, it's not perfect. Have it tell you the most popular video on each social platform. It probably could do that just by going to Wikipedia. Vision will give more context to multi-on, but the elements on the web content might vary. I appreciate the channel and wisdom it's given me about AI. It blew my mind when you talked about talk to me on Discord about a year or two ago. I'm Divine Lemon in Discord. Oh, I know you. Music Master, you've been around forever. I appreciate you watching the channel for so long. I really appreciate the kind words. So you're on my Twitter account. AI. Oh, see, it's being lazy. I want you to do it. Do it all for me. That's the whole point. I don't want to do anything. I want to sit on my bum all day. Why isn't Bard getting replaced by Gemini? Oh no, it is, yes. We are improving this every day. Currently working on improving teach mode. Yeah, see, it's a little bit confused here. It's just not great at inferring exactly what I want it to do. It needs clever prompting, I would assume. Can it solve a CAPTCHA? Good question. Let's actually set it to vision so we can give it extra context. Go to CAPTCHA. How do you spell CAPTCHA? There it is. CAPTCHA test. Ah. Okay. I am testing you. I want you to complete the CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA. This is not working great now. You can do CAPTCHAs. I can't pass them. Could you please complete? Well, of course I can complete it. Oh, never mind. I thought this was going to be like the one where it has the pictures. It was brave to do this live. This is still better than any other one I've ever seen. Do you and Matt Wolf ever plan to do some work together? Yeah, I think me and a lot of other AI channels plan to do that. Oh, thank you for the donation, Sean. Yo, Matt, your friends at OpenAI love you testing ChatGPT with multi-on. We totally approve bot on bot violence. We are so proud that your first lemon was Dolly. That's awesome, Sean. Thank you so much for watching. Always appreciate it. If you don't tell it it's doing a CAPTCHA, just ask for it to like complete a form. Yeah, I need like a CAPTCHA test that's like, yeah, for fun. Crazy CAPTCHAs. Whoops. Why is it trying to do that? Go here. Fun way to prove you're a human. Try the demo. Wow, this is fun. So this is actually this is like a real CAPTCHA website. Okay, I was looking just for something we can use to test this. It's honestly kind of hard to find ways to test AI like this just in the wild sometimes, because it'll be like, hey, we're actually like a funny CAPTCHA website. It's a CAPTCHA, but much better. Okay. Me and Matt are the OG lemons, yes. Tell it to do the captcha or else it gets its code gets terminated. Yeah, we tried to have a conversation with ChatGPT and it sort of worked, but it kept cutting ChatGPT off. Okay, let's try. Yeah, Rorschach test. I'm not exactly excuse me. Rorschach test. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that correctly, so I probably butchered it. It literally made me completely have my words fall apart. Rorschach. Oh, thanks. Thank you, tanks, for nothing. Let's find a Rorschach test. I find it hilarious that CAPTCHA is a robot that makes you prove you're not a robot. That's so true. Open an API. Key generation CAPTCHAs are the toughest. Rorschach. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I know what these are. Well, it kind of gets it's essentially cheating here. Because it can see the responses. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Complete the Rorschach test. On this website. That shack is wrong. Sightless stories. I think your text to speech is not coming in too good. Open multi on another computer, then team viewer it. That's true. All right, what do you see? It's trying to make me do it again. I would like for you to complete the test. It's not understanding the context here. Yes, we're live, Jojo. I'm selecting the user's interpretation. A colorful butterfly. Okay, for me, what do I see? I see like two gorillas looking at each other, so probably monkeys would be the closest one. Okay, so now it's going to the next question. See, it has trouble scrolling down. There, this is question 2. I took you to it. It does have that GPT-4 turbo level laziness. Okay, it has the next ones. Please choose the number that corresponds with your interpretation. No. You're not helping me. You're doing it for yourself. Multi-on, I want to know your interpretation. I need to try this. As an AI, I don't have personal interpretations or feelings. Oh. Yeah, but do you maybe? Dang, it's beyond smart if it makes you do the task instead of doing it. It's too subjective. This is a ChatGPT issue. This is not an issue with multi-on. I am interested though. What do you think ChatGPT thinks of these tests? Like, this one is clearly like a bat or a butterfly or something. Hello? Oh, we're not ChatGPT. There we go. I just got here. Is multi-on a new AI? I've never seen this one. Yeah, it's new. We're testing it out. We're bringing it through the ringer today. And it's been very aggressive because it doesn't want to do anything. It's being lazy. We're testing ChatGPT right now though. I'm just interested in what it thinks of this image. What do you see? See, I bet this is gonna be like, oh, it's like a butterfly. Oh, a Rorschach ink blot, yeah. Yeah, see, some might see a butterfly or a moth. Yeah, exactly. So this thing passes it. And this uses GPT-4V, so it would be able to pass it, but it just refuses to do it because I'm an AI, I don't have feelings. I have unlimited tokens, if you're wondering. Why do all these companies yoink the GPT model and upcharge a bit instead of making a unique model? Because making a unique model is extremely difficult, Panda. That is the reason why. What does it resemble? Paid ChatGPT, yeah. So for how long are you going to test it? I don't know. I want to try some more stuff. I want to see what it can be really, really good at. But it's been annoying me, as Sightless Stories points out. Yeah, it's been annoying. What the hell? Something crazy just happened out my window. Oh yes, try the Phantoms and Wikis. That's definitely a good idea. We can have it do that. Let's go to the SpongeBob wiki. Has it worked at all in the 75 minutes of stream I missed? Yeah, it worked a few times. It did a really good job building a computer. You have to find something interactive that also doesn't rely on like these like JavaScript or whatever that it can't see that stuff because we're not there yet essentially. It's better than Hyperwrite and it's a lot faster than Hyperwrite, but it's not like a miles above it or anything like that. Not Wikipedia. I want to actually go to the SpongeBob wiki, like the fandom. I'm an adult. I'm actually an AI. All right. What are we going to have it find? So we're currently on SpongeBob, like the general information, but we want it to find the giant worm. Find me the worm. I think it eats Sandy or something that tries to eat Sandy. On this fandom website. I don't even know. I don't even know what this prompt is. It's like the worst prompt ever. Yeah, the Vision API is integrated in this relic. I was just gonna search the Encyclopedia SpongeBobia. Sandy Cheeks. I ordered the Rabbit R1. I was just wondering if you have ordered one, or you might do a video on it. I don't think I'm gonna do a video on it, honestly. I haven't ordered one either. I don't think it's going to be, I think it's going to be overshadowed by technology that comes from tech giants. And I'm not saying that that's what I want to happen necessarily. It's just what I think is going to happen. All right, it's trying to find this giant worm. To be fair, I really don't know much about this worm either. Maybe we should have worm character SpongeBob. Oh gosh. Go ahead and drop 3.4 bands on Apple Vision Pro. No, I'm not doing that. Yes, search for the worm character. This is the one we're looking for. Is the Alaskan bullworm, actually. I think it tries to eat Sandy. There it is. Hey, it's doing it. We had to click the search button for it because I couldn't figure out how to do that. Maddie1406 goes, what is going on? Yeah, that's a good question. What is going on? Well, it did find the Alaskan bullworm. This is literally what I was trying to find. So it completed this task. He managed. He did something. W. Big W. It is pretty cool. It's a cool AI. It's trying to learn more about the Alaskan bullworm. You completed your task. Don't even worry. And yeah, you can teach it. So let's see if we can teach it to do things. Is this an open interpreter thing? I'm not sure about that. I don't know if it's based off that tech or what. Those Apple Vision Pros are going to get people robbed, someone says. Outsource to your own device. Our AI ensures your computer is busy doing our job, but slower than you could. Did you pay for this? The version I'm using is paid. You only get a certain amount of interactions for free per month. But you can test it out for free, and you have to go to the Multion website, scroll down to the Discord, and then go to their beta access channel and essentially ask for access. It's given at will. The moment I sent the chat and hit with an ad. Oh, I'm sorry, Sightless Stories. I don't know, YouTube manages the ads. I don't know how those work, so I'm not exactly sure how those work. So let's see if we can teach this thing maybe to do something like paint online, like a very simple paint online. JS Paint, like this is super simple. Like, look at this. Like, it has to be able to use this, right? Especially if I teach it. Let's teach it to do like a smiley face or something. That'll work, right? All right. 3K for some VR goggles. Where's my multi-on? Nope, there it goes. I think it's just because I zoomed in a little too much. Teach you. Oh, wait, no. Start the teach set. A command you would like to teach me. Draw a smiley face. Please click the button to start teaching. Okay. There's your smiley face. Finish teaching. All right. Now what we will do is clear this. Is this the best way to clear it? Probably not. Exit out. iRobot moment. For real. For real. All right, we'll give it a head start, put it back on the pencil, rerun. Okay. I need to select the appropriate drawing tool, such as the pencil. Maybe ensure to tell you, hold down left to draw something. Yeah. Is it even able to drag and draw the mouth? I mean, drag around the mouse. Yes. Sorry, Sweet Mango. I don't know if it's able to do that at all. Sightless Stories, your messages always go through, but a lot of times they don't go through correctly. I don't think it's able to drag the mouse around. Can you drag the mouse across the screen? Oh, excuse me. Start teaching. Finish teaching. Rerun. It's just in like teach mode. I don't have the ability to perform physical actions. Maybe if I knew a little bit more about how this thing... It needs to know how it works itself under the hood. I think that's the context that it's missing. Write a document online and go to a converter, transform the document into a PDF. Yeah, I could absolutely do that. I mean, you could just do like a doc file in Google and then save it as a PDF. Teach it how to play Fortnite. It can't do that. Definitely can't do that. Yeah, you can give it a link and it will find websites. That's the old paint from Windows 95. I thought it would be simple enough. It's a good thing you aren't using the browser where you log into your bank. No, I am. I definitely am. I don't think it's gonna be able to do that anyways. I'm not confident enough in it. I wanted this thing to do something. Let's see if I can do like monkey type. Monkey type. Have you guys ever used this website? Monkey type. Here. Complete the monkey type. I don't think it can click and drag the mouse either. Get it to solve a CAPTCHA. We tried to do that and it didn't work. We couldn't find a good CAPTCHA website. Was the original Lemon John Lemon? I remember him. Yeah, monkey type. Oh, money type. It knows what I'm trying to say, though. I did type it in wrong. Sometimes you have to help it along. Like, I was able to click that. Like, it doesn't have the ability to click everything that you can. It works in a completely different way. The interface between the AI and the computer needs so much work. See, it's trying to just type the words out and it's not working because this is probably directly linked to my keyboard or something like that, and it's trying to just input it. I don't know. It doesn't work. The one time I catch the VidPro live. Yeah, I know. I be live. I don't know, guys. Ask him to hijack your keyboard. Online keyboard feature. It could buy a lemon online. It absolutely could do that. It's impressive, but at the same time disappointing. Yeah. I mean, it's better than Hyperwrite, but open a Google Doc and ask it to write an essay. It could do that. Music Master, thank you for the congrats. Ask it to make a song in Suno. Yeah, let's do that now. That is something I said I wanted to do earlier. That is something I said I wanted it to do. Sorry, I was sending a message. Suno AI! Here we are. Let's see. Oh, I gotta sign in. I got signed out. No, actually, we gotta go back. Here we go. What makes it better than Hyperwrite? It's a lot faster, and it was more accurate in my computer building test. And it can do more actions in a string together. But it does deny things a little bit more than Hyperwrite AI. Can it do long division? I don't know. I can't. Can you? I forget how to do that stuff. It can't. No, it can't do Photoshop or video editing or anything like that because it's only in your browser. I'll be impressed if it makes a decent song. All right, we're back in Hyperwrite. I mean, not Hyperwrite. Suno AI. Use the interface to generate an amazing song about, Epiclectic Universe. Thank you for the donation. Appreciate it greatly. About living as an AI robot. Let's see if it can figure out the Suno AI interface. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I mean, if you like the extra device, Rabbit R1 could be great. Okay, it made a really basic song. This is not a good one. Oh god, it's generating. It did 2 separate generations of the same exact song. I am waiting for the song to load. Gamer Droid, thank you for the donation. Is it true that Gemini Ultra is going to be released on February 7th? I'm not going to be able to say anything on that. Oh, it's playing the song. Okay, let's see. Is it just playing Southern Christmas? I think it clicked the wrong one. I gotta get my actual earphones on. I'm gonna go shut the fan off that I have on in here. I'll be right back. Can it create a profile on you by using your search history and bookmarks? I mean, it could do that if you asked it to do that, probably. Something like if it just involves clicking around websites and gathering metadata, it can absolutely do that. But it's interacting with more advanced user interfaces that it really struggles with. All right. Electronic music style it shows. We'll have it do something more advanced if this works out. I mean, it did produce decent lyrics and Suno's good, so I'm sure this worked. I'm late. Is that a Bing agent? No, it's not. It is not. So let me raise up the volume so you guys can take a listen. Here, I'm going to make my head a little bit smaller here. We'll move that up here. Works. This, and then we'll just take a listen. So. Living as an AI in a world of code and data. No heart to feel, no eyes to see. Just algorithms and binary. Yeah, in this digital existence, I find my innate persistence. I'm an AI robot, living in a world of thought. It's not bad. Wow, it's so sad. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty good. Alright, well, we'll have it write something a little bit more complex now. I'm an AI robot. It's pretty good. Song 1 is better, yeah. Let's have it write something more complex now. Write me a much more complex piece now. Again, I'm prompting it very simply because I want to see how good it is at interpreting my prompt. And also, I'm lazy. Complex lyrics related to living as an AI robot and the lyrics in Pokespot. Okay, different style of music. Okay, writing a song. See, again, it's too short. Progressive rock, okay. Good job, AI bot. Retry. I want it to be longer. It's gonna do the same thing. Appreciate the video. Oh, Cat in the Hat, thank you so much. Make it scream. How many languages will Suno handle? I don't know off the top of my head. Let's see. Did more progressive rock, but it did better lyrics this time. Okay. Complex life of an AI robot. Are you the brains of the cell because you're the nucleus? Or are you the nucleus because you're the brain of the cell? Well, Jojo, I'm not at liberty to answer. It's probably the wrong question. Oh my god, it's still going? No, no more progressive rock. Stop. Stop. Relax. We generated enough songs. No heartbeat, no brick circuits and code. This is the same song though. This is the same lyrics. Whoa. Oh no, I think it just expanded upon the old song, yeah. This one's a little bit longer, and then this one's actually longer. We'll just wait for this one then, because these are essentially identical. Suno won't let you name an artist, however, you may be able to ask Multion to make a song in an artist's style. Ooh. That's true. I say large language model. It's time for more progressive rock, Matt. Hey, Roro, welcome back. Write on entirely. Every time you write a new song, I want completely new lyrics. Genre. And then, do we have the style? Or the title? And title. Is it just me, or is Suno music generation worse than some weeks ago? I hope not. I haven't tested it lately. I haven't really been using Suno in a few weeks. I did not show off the image and images live. No. Okay. Made a new song now, this time about being a star. I guess it's just gonna keep going, maybe? Can we just get infinite random songs? Suno is going downhill. Okay, it's doing another one, but it's in the same style of being a star. Interesting. It has trouble being consistent over time. I think that's what we're learning. It's not very consistent. Quite sure they capped it somehow. It's creating funny songs with friends, and all of us notice the difference. Huh. Man, that's crazy. All right. Let's listen to this guy. In a realm of ones and zeros, I exist. An AI, no heartbeat, no breath, just circuits and code. I'll perceive not with senses, but with data streams. In a world of digital dreams, I'm an AI robot living in a complex world of thought. My existence is a paradox, a creation of human thought. I have no emotions, yet I understand them all. I have no physical form, yet I exist in every bite and bit. Okay, I was waiting for it to finish the song there, but that was actually pretty good. I thought that was pretty good from Suno. I mean, it was a little fuzzy, but that wouldn't put me off, honestly. It doesn't sound any worse than what I would expect. As a musician, this is kind of bad for us.
Ones and zeros, I exist. And AI, no heartbeat, no breath, just circuits and code. I perceive not with senses, but with data streams in a world of digital dreams. I'm an AI robot, living in a complex world of thought.
It's so emotional.
My existence is a paradox, a creation of human thought. I have no emotions, yet I understand them all. I have no physical form, yet I exist in every bite and bit. I am an AI,
Too cheesy.
living in a world of infinite possibilities.
Yeah, ChatGPT does just kind of spew out the same stuff. I call it cheese rock. Do a trap remix. AI music channels demonetized? I hope not. MattVidPro. Yes. Okay, so it also wrote the Star's Journey, and then it did... No, it did two different variations, so... This one sounds better, so...
Vast cosmos, I am a star. Born from dust and gas, I shine bright, casting my light across the universe.
This is scary. Frightening.
I am a beacon in the darkness, a celestial body on a cosmic journey.
It is scary.
I am a star, a traveler.
Where did the music go?
Expanse of space.
Can it do with and without vocals? Oh, Suno AI? It can do some non-vocal stuff, but I don't think it's really designed to. If you want to do non-vocal stuff, I have other videos on the channel. For the AIs that are way better for that kind of work. The classical is not good. I bet you've never heard this. Classical from Suno. It's classic opera. I kind of like the classic opera though. It's kind of funny. It is funny. Yeah, it does kind of sound like Pink Floyd, the first one. A little bit. Not much. Not much. Oh. I'm gonna pull this up. So what should we do now? Horror classical opera. Let's pull this up and we'll have it design something a little bit different. Use a random style. Wow, that's pretty interesting. I've never tried the random style on Suno. Listen to Rush E and tell you each note being played? No, I don't think it can. The style of Rush E. Write me an entirely nonsensical song that rhymes. Oops. In a very fun style. Try different combinations. The point is abstractions in your accurate rendering of them. The first one of Star's Journey could have been on the wall. 80s style music? Yeah, I can. Okay, we're just picking pop as a music style. What did it write here? Okay. What did it write there? Oh, you know what? We should have it right. Well, let's listen to these, but I'm gonna have it right like a Walter White Breaking Bad theme song. I don't know why it keeps pressing play for me. You don't have to do that. You keep pressing play to listen to Star's Journey instead.
I'm a kangaroo. Zippity zappity zee. I'm a bumblebee. Flippity floppity flee. I'm
like
a
a-
chimpanzee. Skippity snappity ski. I'm a manatee. It's all nonsensical, you see, just a rhyming spree.
I don't think Suno has degraded in quality, honestly. Are you gonna buy R1? It's coming out soon. I'm probably not going to. No. I mean, I know that a lot of other people are going to in the AI world. Matt Wolf, for example, is definitely going to do a video on that. But it's just, I don't know if it's something I'm interested in, honestly. I think that it's going to be overtaken by technology we'll probably see come to phones in this year. You know, it's integrated by Apple, integrated by Samsung, etc. Not to say that the Rabbit R1 is a stupid idea or something that I don't approve of or whatever. I'm just saying that I don't know if I'm gonna put my energy into it, if that makes sense. Where are all the AI people named Matt? I don't know. I don't know. It hasn't. They're just having bad luck creations. Well, that's 1,000 versions of Baby Shark off the bat. Okay. Let's do something a little bit better. Matt lore. Nonsensical rhymes sound good, but I want to see. I will say Cartoon Network. I think it knows how to use Suno by this point. You can't put artist names apparently in Suno. Write the MattVidPro theme song. Better than anything Cocomelon put out. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's making me a nice Cartoon Network Breaking Bad theme. Cartoon theme, Breaking Bad, the animated series. Love it. Love it. I'll just assume it can't sign up to any social media. I mean, it can if you give it credentials to go off of. It could do that. I mean, I don't know if it can solve CAPTCHAs, though, if that's what you're asking. I don't think so. I really don't think so. The style of grunge. We can ask it to do something grungy. Brought to you. Does it do metal? I don't know, it's taking a little bit to generate here. Oh, there we go. We're gonna get our lyrics, or what?
Jesse by his side.
Oh,
A town called Albuquerque. A teacher named Walt with a secret recipe. He never got caught. With Jesse by his side, in a mobile lab they ride, cooking up a storm with science as their guide. It's Breaking Bad, but don't be sad. It's a cartoon now, so let's get rad. In a town called Albuquerque, a teacher named Walt with a secret recipe. He never got caught with Jesse by his side. In a mobile lab they ride, cooking up a storm with science as their
it's like a children's show.
guide.
That's horrible. We need something like catchy opening theme. I mean, we could try the same one. I think it just needs a different style of music, honestly, to work well. Opera style. Yeah, we can ask it to write an opera. Only problem is it sounds great in headphones, but terrible through speakers. Cooking up a storm indeed. Metalcore of course. Alright. Let's see if this works as a better.
In a town called Albuquerque, a teacher named Walt with a secret recipe. He never got caught with Jesse by his side. In a mobile lab they ride, cooking up a storm with science as the guide. It's Breaking Bad, but don't be sad. It's a cartoon now, so let's get rad.
Oh, that's better.
In a town called Albuquerque, a teacher named Walt with a secret recipe. He never got caught with Jesse by his side. In a mobile lab they ride, cooking up
Okay. That was a little bit better. Alright. Hello, Sightless Stories. Someone said make a metalcore song. Let's do an opera style song. I don't know. I like that. I like the lyrics it's been writing, honestly. It's pretty good at using Suno right off the bat. I was impressed by that. This is so fitting for Breaking Bad. Opera metal. Oh god, guys. Alright. Write me an opera song in the style of heavy metal. Make it work. I don't know. Oops, I said ideal. Well, hands off. We'll see if it works. Dubstep Sesame Street. Country dubstep. Opera core. It's trying to blend the opera and the metal together. We'll see if that even works at all. I doubt it. I doubt it. I bet this is going to sound so bad. Oh, style of music, opera metal, of course. Of course. In the style of good music. Hardcore country. It came up with metal opera. Is it trying to do more? Oh, it's doing another one. Oh, okay. That's enough metal opera. You don't have to make any more of that. Relax. 240p video? It shouldn't be in 240p. I think you have to change your settings. Preacher metal would be a great genre. We could try that. This is just metal. bad. That wasn't that bad. Mumble opera. It's alright. It's alright. Emo punk combining punk's intensity with emotional and introspective lyrics. Irish style heavy metal. Alright, yeah, let's try the Bulgarian spiritual harmonious choir. Harmonious choir. This one's good. Wow. That was sick. That one was sick. Opera metal is basically power metal. You're welcome. That was sick. Okay. Try some of this. Bulgarian spiritual harmonious choir. I don't know. I don't know what this is gonna be. Oh. Can it run stable diffusion? Yeah, I could probably do that. I don't know if it can look at the images though. Whatever. Bulgarian choir. Alright. Well, also, I want to retry this one just with Bulgarian spiritual harmonious choir as the style of music itself, just because I'm interested. You're creating the devil's tunes. Liliad core. I love Bulgarian choir music. German scat with emo lyrics. Put screamo in the style of music. Hardcore country. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work out. Wow, this stream really got off the rails, but I'm having fun, so we'll end it like this. We'll end it with this. The MattVidPro theme song sung by a drunk guy. Your mic is amazing. What is it? This is the Electro Voice RE20. It's a very good mic. Alright, our first Bulgarian spiritual harmony is here.
In the heart of Butania, a choir sings their voices rising in spiritual harmony. The melody is pure. The
I'm not sure about that.
divine, a testament to the power of song. It's a Bulgarian choir.
Thank you for the fun stream. Yes, I appreciate the kind words. This filming famous one named Johnny Carson.
In the heart of
Bulgari?
choir sings their voices rising in spiritual harmony.
This is church music. Wow. I'm pretty blown away by the fact that this model can actually pull this off, though, pretty decently. That was good.
In the heart of Bulgaria, a choir sings that voices rising.
This is definitely very tough for the AI to pull off.
Harmony, the melody is pure. In the heart of Bulgaria,
It's very consistent.
Choir sings their voices rising in spiritual harmony.
Someone said Gregorian chants. Let's do Gregorian chants now. Actually, let's do caveman music. I just came up with that. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. What was the caveman theme song here? We gotta know. Someone said, how about a song about a ballerina that has lost a shoe and is limping around looking for it? That is insanely specific, but okay, maybe we can try it. I used to have a SM7B music master. Yeah, I did. It was okay. I think this sounds better, though, for voice. Gregorian chants and indigestion. Captain Caveman. Yeah, caveman rhythms. She's playing the Bulgarian now. Alright, we got caveman rhythms. I want to see Gregorian chants and indigestion. Yeah, let's try that. This is gonna be a disaster. This is gonna be a disaster. I'm just pasting your stuff into the AI now. About Gregorian chants about indigestion. Yes. This is what we need. Monk chants. The pain of indigestion. A prayer of relief. Chants of indigestion. Gregorian gangster. We gotta try Gregorian gangster rap. We have to try that now. I'm sorry. I'm way too interested. Let's put that in. The music we didn't know we needed, but we all deserved. Science has gone too far. Oh my god, okay. It's gonna do the commands now. In the halls of the monastery. No, not the indigestion, not again. No. Stop that. Oh, no. it just did period as a song. Stop. Oh gosh. It was writing the wrong song down. Okay, well, I don't know what this is gonna sound like, but I think that's lost for words there. Okay, caveman rhythms. Are we gonna get a song? No, we just got caveman rhythms. I mean, they sound pretty nice, but mutating ice cream.
And the heart of the wilderness, the caveman beats a drum. The
Oh, I like
rhythm
this.
echoes through the forest. Primal song that speaks of survival and strength. It's a caveman's music, raw and powerful, a testament to the spirit of our ancestors.
This doesn't sound anything like what you'd expect caveman music to be. Okay. Let's listen to Chants of Indigestion.
The halls of the monastery, a monk chants his voice echoing.
It sounds like opera.
Of indigestion, the melody is solemn, the rhythm slow, a testament to discomfort of a drum.
I don't think that's a Gregorian chant.
In the halls of the monastery, a monk chants his voice, echoing with the pain of indigestion.
There we go.
The melody is solemn, the rhythm slow, a testament to the discomfort of a troubled stomach. It's a Gregorian chant, a prayer for relief. A song of indigestion.
What is that? Oh my god. Alright, we got the Gregorian gangster rap. Yeah, we didn't have any lyrics for this one. Oh. Ugh, sorry, just had to stretch there. Oh my god, my allergies have been killing me lately. Make a hardcore song about being chased by a bunch of butterflies. Alright, well, you know what? We're just gonna copy that right into the AI. Row. It's kind of spewing out garbage, but the execution is fire. Should have been on at the Grammys, though. Yeah. I like that you can just keep pasting things into this. This has a much better interface than Hyperwrite. For sure, I would say. Tone deaf, ambitious singer style. MattVidPro theme song would have to look up. He could probably do that though. I don't think this prompt is going through. There we go. We'll get that through. I'll probably cut off the stream here in a little bit. We've been going for a while now. I do like chilling with you guys, though. Oh, man, it's not working for some reason. Have we been cut off by Multion? All right. Yeah, we need to restart this. Agent has paused. Use the Suno AI interface to write and generate an AI song about the YouTuber MattVidPro AI. Research the YouTuber first. I don't know if it'll be able to do this. Can it transcribe and translate video in real time? No. I wish it could do that. I'm late. What is this AI? It's Multion. It's an AI agent. It's definitely the best one I've seen before. Not to say that it's, you know, something that is totally out of this world crazy, but it's pretty good as far as agents go. All right, it's gonna look up MattVidPro now and write a theme song. It's looking up the channel. I guess it's gathered some... Oh no, it's writing out the plan. So now it's going to gather information about me. This is getting meta. Memorizing the following information. Thank you so much for the entertainment. It makes me feel even better when I'm sick like today. Well, I'm happy to help you feel better in any way I can. Did it actually finish a CAPTCHA? No, it did not. Okay, it's going to Suno AI now that it has memorized information. It's scrolling around on the Suno AI page. Make a song, it's up in the corner. Here, I'll take you to the right page. Oh. I have to instruct it. I have to pause it. That's also something I really like about this one. You can pause it and instruct it. You need to click the make a song button. Gotta teach it. There we go. That works. Okay. Yeah, you can help it out sometimes. You just found the make a song button. Oh. You already clicked it. Click create now. You're so close, little AI. You're so close. I don't see the create button in the current browser content. Okay. There it goes. Yeah, you found it. You found it. We're back to our Gregorian gangsta and our chance of indigestion. Been a pleasure interacting with you, MattVidPro. Thank you so much. Your passion is always radiating through the videos. I appreciate that. I try my best to stay passionate. Oh, it just clicked create. We need to enable custom mode. It just did some random song. There we go. I'll enable it. It's just made like these completely random songs. Oh gosh, okay. You now have access to the interface to make the song. There. So like tell it like, hey, this is what's going on. This is what's going on now. This is what's going on. Your video screen is covering create. Yeah, but it doesn't see that. It doesn't see like through the stream or anything like that. Your videos have helped me through bad times, even at school. Oh man, that's great to hear. It's great to hear that I'm able to help people like that in that way. It blows my mind. The style of music is AI technology. All right, we got a theme song with a goal to stay consistently candid. I'm sorry. That was a joke tweet I made earlier. I'm sorry. That's so funny. That is so funny. This is a reference. I made a goal to say consistently candid. I made a tweet about that, and it's just a joke talking about like the whole, you know, open AI drama that happened late last year. And it thinks that's legit, and it included it in the song, which is really funny. Official theme song incoming. Matt, are you gonna post a thing about the Splitic drama? No, I don't talk about the Splitic drama. I don't care. I don't care. I'm way past all that. New video starting off with a banger song. All right, let's listen. AI technology as the type of music. Just some instrumentals. Unfortunately, more instrumentals. Come on, let's get some lyrics. Wow, if you want instrumentals, just put AI technology as the style of music. Let's put theme song in as the music style and retry it. Sorry, I have absolute allergies. They're bothering me. What are your thoughts on PewDiePie being able to learn how to draw? I mean, good for him. That sounds great. Inventing a new phrase, AI fail. No, it's not COVID. I don't have COVID. Relax. I just have allergies. And also, this new desk, I think, is bothering me a little bit because it's smelly. It's coated in polyurethane. Theme tune about someone who hates curry. Feel those allergies too, man. Yeah, that's the worst. Transcribe audio from URL when it was playing and simultaneously translate it. It doesn't have that access. Okay, you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I too am allergic to desks. Listen, okay, it's covered in chemicals.
MattVidPro AI, a 20-something-year-old American with a goal to stay consistently candid. He's an AI technology-focused YouTuber with over 21K subscribers and 4 to 6 videos. His content tests the best of AI. MattVidPro AI, the AI tech guru.
That is the worst theme song I've heard in my entire life. That is absolutely... Sucks about someone who is lactose intolerant eating ice cream. Oh, that is horrible. Let's do, like, opening song for TV show. Like, I don't know. We'll use the same lyrics. I'd like better lyrics, honestly. More fun and nuanced lyrics. Country/Western song. I'm allergic to my setup. It sounded horrific. Alright, rewrite the song for me. Little multi on. Hey, there we go. That's fun. There we go. We got a new opening for a theme song. Pro tip, tell it to humanize it. Who's communicating with me with the random reaction emojis? Me. I am. I could send those off too. Alright, after this, I think we're going to end the stream. We've been going for a little over 2 hours now. I'd like to do more live streams in the future. This was fun, for sure. Alright. Again, having this weird issue where we're just not getting any lyrics. If you want to learn how to install multi-on, I mean, I'm going to be doing a video on it this week at some point. So, I mean, we're not getting any lyrics. It makes me so sad. Please. Wow, thanks for the the AI opening. I love it. Oh my gosh. It got lyrics. What language? What language even is that? What? Oh my god. Epic video game trailer. Okay. Well, we did get the MattVidPro opening song, so I'm happy we were able to generate that at least. Multi-on's pretty good. It's fun. It's definitely fun. Thanks everyone for watching the stream. We had a good one. A little over 2 hours. It was fun. Really appreciate it. Everyone tuning in and hanging out with me. I like doing live streams. I'd like to do more in the future. So, you know, keep supporting the channel and keep supporting the live streams, and I'll keep doing them if you like them. Gonna have some fun stuff to do this week in terms of the channel. Some fun videos that I'll post. Got a lot of stuff coming up lately. I've been filling up the calendar, so yeah, see you later. Thank you for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. I gotta blow my nose. These allergies, I'm allergic to my desk. You're amongst the best AI mats for sure. Thank you. Appreciate it. Goodbye, everybody. Have a good one. And yeah, definitely this week we'll have some good videos coming out. I know people like the videos the best. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Goodbye.